Hi guys, welcome back to Sabby C, and today we are making bride and groom champagne glasses. You will need 2 champagne glasses, tulle that you can get at your local fabric store, ribbon, and my thicker white ribbon is 1.5 centimeters in width, and my black ribbon is 0.5 centimeters in width. My thinner white ribbon is 0.5 centimeters in width as well. The colors can vary. I used half gold pearl stickers, twist ties, and these actually came with my freezer bags. Fabric trim that you can get at your local fabric store. You don't have to use this, you can use lace. Cotton thread that will match your tulle. Some 2-way tape. Now I couldn't find 2-way tape that was the width of my ribbon, and if you have it, that's great. I had to cut mine down to size. I personally like to use the 2-way tape on this project because I find it much easier to work with, but you can use whatever you prefer. Glass, and we will start laying the ribbon starting at the base of the glass. We will wrap the ribbon around, and each time we go around the glass we will move slightly above the layer below. Take the ribbon and apply it like how a kid will draw a smile. The smile shape should not go around the glass in one go. It should go halfway around the glass, and then you cut, and then you do another smile, and then you cut, and that would make 2 smiles to go around the glass. And as you do the second layer, try and move slightly above the ribbon that's below it, and that's how we move our way up the glass. Once we are halfway up the glass, we will start wrapping the ribbon around the glass. white thicker ribbon and lay it on my work surface, ensuring that the smoother side is facing me. I grab a piece of two-way tape and lay it at the bottom of the ribbon. Apply the ribbon to the glass, and please ensure that the end of the ribbon and where you cut your ribbon to join your smiley face line up with each other. process for the bride's glass using white ribbon. The nice thing about this project is it can be customized to your wedding colors. Just swap out the black and white for the color scheme of your wedding. another successful project in the bag. I hope you had fun watching, and I hope you enjoy making your very own. And if you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe. It's free. Give me a thumbs up and hit the notify bell. That way you don't miss out on any future posts.